Hello everyone, welcome to the Biology Funda. In today's video, we are going to learn about spermatogenesis. The word spermatogenesis is derived from two words, sperm and genesis. Sperm is a male gamete in human, while genesis means production or synthesis. So spermatogenesis is a process of producing sperms or spermatozoa from immature main germ cell in testes of male. This process begins at puberty. Let us learn about this process in detail. You can see the flow chart as well as the diagram on screen. The immature male germ cells are called spermatogonia. The singular form is spermatogonium. Spermatogonia are present on the inside walls of seminiferous tubule, as you can see in the given diagram on screen. Each spermatogonium is diploid, that means it has 46 chromosomes. Spermatogonia multiply by mitosis and increase in number to form primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocytes are diploid in nature. They undergo first meiotic division and form two equal haploid cells called secondary spermatocyte. Meiosis 1 is called reductional division because the number of chromosomes are reduced from diploid to haploid. Secondary spermatocyte formed in this process has 23 chromosomes. They undergo second meiotic division and produce 4 equal haploid spermatids. Meiosis 2 is called equational division because it does not reduce chromosome number in daughter cell. Rather, daughter cell that result from meiosis 2 have the same number of chromosome as the parent cell. So, spermatid has 23 chromosomes. These spermatids are transferred into spermatozoa or sperms by the process called spermiogenesis. You can see in the diagram there is a spermatogonia which produces primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte produces secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocyte then forms spermatid and spermatids then forms spermatozoa. Now this spermatozoa, the head of the sperm is embedded in the Sertoli cells. After spermiogenesis, sperm head that are embedded in the Sertoli cells are released from the seminiferous tubule by a process called spermiation. After spermiation, the sperms are released into the lumen. Now, let us learn about hormone responsible for spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis starts at the age of puberty due to the increase in the secretion of gonadotropin releasing hormone or GnRH. GnRH is a hypothalamic hormone, that means it is produced in the hypothalamus and released into the bloodstream to act on pituitary gland. The increased level of GnRH then acts at the anterior pituitary gland and stimulates secretion of two gonadotropin. The two gonadotropins are luteinizing hormone or LH and follicular stimulating hormone or FSH. LH acts on Leydig cells and stimulates synthesis and secretion of androgens like testosterone. Androgen in return stimulate the process of spermatogenesis. FSH acts on the Sertoli cells and stimulates secretion of some factor which help in the process of spermiogenesis. That's the end of the video. I hope you find this video helpful. Hit the like button and share with your friends. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe this channel for more such videos. You can also follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description. Thank you so much. Dev bare karu.